Hi, I'm Vineet from ClearTax. In this video, we will go through the investing lessons from a pandemic year. The ongoing COVID-19 pandemic has had a significant impact on the stock markets across the world. It has changed the way people approach life and investments. The Indian stock markets recorded fresh peaks in January and fell record levels in March and April. The markets have been volatile throughout the year. It is attributed to the recent unprecedented developments, and the countries opting to impose lockdown restrictions made the situation even worse. However, markets recovered significantly post August. Learning never stops when it comes to investing. Here are the major investing lessons from a pandemic year. Number 1. Always have an emergency fund by your side. An emergency fund is a corpus accumulated exclusively to meet unavoidable emergency expenses such as medical emergency or job loss. Since this fund must be readily accessible, you may consider investing in a liquid mutual fund or depositing your money in a regular savings account. This corpus should not be utilized to meet your regular expenses and should be touched only at times of crisis. Do not break your investments made in equities, as the markets may not always favor a positive yield on redemption. This makes it important to have an emergency fund by your side. Equity investments must be redeemed only when your goals are achieved. Number 2. Don't let the current market scenario influence your decisions. Markets never remain the same. In fact, market volatility is the only constant that comes with equity investments. For instance, the Sensex index had fallen below the 26,000 levels in the third week of March, which is almost 40% lower from what it was in the first week of January. However, the index made an amazing comeback in the following months, and it recorded its highest ever in the third week of December. You need to give your investments some time. They can do wonders. Those investors who redeemed their investments in March and April did so with a loss. Those who continue to stay invested and the ones who purchased more units are now realizing massive gains. Number 3. Diversifying your portfolio is important. They say don't put all your eggs in one basket. This holds good for investments as well. It is never advisable to concentrate your investments towards a particular sector or stock unless you are an aggressive investor with a long-term investment horizon. A good portfolio consists of the right mix of equities, fixed income securities, government savings schemes, and gold. Having a balanced portfolio ensures that the losses are not pronounced. If there is an adverse market development which impacts one particular security in your portfolio, then the other securities in your portfolio can make up for the losses resulting. Gold and stock markets are inversely related. When the stock markets fall, the gold prices increase. This is because the investors across globe seek to protect their capital and choose to invest in safer havens such as gold. Therefore, up to 10% of your portfolio can be constituted by gold. The equity exposure of your portfolio should be constituted by the rule of 100 minus each. That is, if you're age 40, then the equity exposure of your portfolio should be 100 minus 40, that is 60%. The remainder of your portfolio can be formed by including fixed income securities, bank deposits, and so on. The basic idea is to safeguard your portfolio against market turbulence. Number 4. Withdraw when the requirement has been met. Everybody invests with a particular goal to achieve. When your requirement has been met, then it is advisable that you redeem your equity investments and move the same towards safer options such as bank deposits. Markets are volatile and you don't drive the movements. Therefore, it is very important to redeem your risky investments as and when your goal has been met. In case you continue staying invested, then you run the risk of volatility. If there are adverse market developments, then the worth of your investment may go down, which may result in not achieving your goals as planned. The year 2020 has made us approach life in a whole new way. We have learned the importance of saving for a rainy day. If you find this video useful, then please do like, comment and share. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel so that you get a notification whenever we upload a new video.